I hear from owners in design and construction often that one of the biggest causes of project delays, overruns, issues, conflicts, lawsuits is communication. And I've talked to many construction executives, and they often say the same thing. In fact, some have even said, "Don't tell me communication's the problem. I know communication's always the problem." With all that, these problems are super common, and they continue to happen over and over and over again. That's why we have to take action to improve the communication on our projects. One of my favorite ways to improve projects is to evaluate and improve the communication pathways. How do people know what to do? How do people know what the priority goal is, or goals with an S, if you could have such a thing as multiple priorities? And that's one thing that the Scrum framework does a really great job at doing. It makes those things visible. That is a lean construction, a lean manufacturing, or just a good, sensible thing to do. Make the work visible. I'm happy to say that I'm going to Munich, Germany with my good friends with the German Lean Construction Institute for a 2-day registered Scrum Master workshop. We're going to share the countermeasures that you can take so that you can deploy Scrum on your project and improve the communication. No matter what phase you're in, whether it's design, construction, commissioning, whether it's an industrial project, a small tenant improvement project, a hospital project, a school, a commercial building, a public building, makes no difference. The tactics and patterns are based on first principles, foundationally on the plan, do, study, act cycle, so that we can limit work in progress, enable good communication to put the right information in the right hands at the right time, while supporting amazing human creativity.
Registered Scrum Master Workshop, Munich, June 6th and 7th. Learn the strategies and tactics to implement Scrum and design and construction with Felipe Engineer Manriquez to deliver your project easier, better, and faster with less effort. Complete the course and pass the online self-paced exam to earn your credential signed by the co-creator of Scrum, Dr. Jeff Sutherland. Over 2 days, you'll learn how to implement the Scrum framework with hands-on practice to deliver work faster and with higher quality. Leverage lean principles to identify waste in a system, process, or organization. Improve team happiness and performance with Scrum using better practices for construction professionals. Apply the Scrum patterns and practices of high-performing teams. Scale the Scrum Master role in an agile implementation. Scrum at scale. Feedback for Felipe often gets 5 stars. Here's one from a past student.
Quote, "Awesome experience, very interactive trainer that kept the whole team engaged for the duration of the course. Thanks a million." End quote.
Felipe is a changemaker, international keynote speaker, and best-selling author. He's a registered Scrum trainer and known for implementing lean construction and agile practices daily with teams in the United States and abroad. His contributions to the industry earned him the Lean Construction Institute's Chairman's Award. Learn more about his construction Scrum book or connect with Felipe at thefelipe.bio.link.